How to enter a code for YouTube TV. So first things first, go ahead and log in to YouTube TV on your browser or the app, right? On the browser is tv.youtube.com. Then once you're logged in, come here at the top right, click on your profile icon. Now click on settings. Okay, I'm going to show you where exactly we need to put in this promo code. But first we need to get a promo code. You can just go to Google, search YouTube TV promo code. You'll get a bunch of different websites for promo codes. Or you can also find them on Reddit. For example, right here, we found one on Reddit. Let me go and refresh this page. Wonder why they're saying this. But you just copy this code. Now, on YouTube TV right here, under settings, let me close this. You'll see this option that says promo codes. Just come here, enter your promo code, and press on this button. And it's really that easy and simple, guys. You'll be able to redeem your promo code. So I hope this guide provided value to you, and if it did, guys, consider smashing that like button as well as subscribing to Smart Solutions, and I'll see you guys in the next one.